This is Project Holly Farm, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Holly Farm is painted in full gloss Tamar blue with black accents all around. Holly Farm sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels painted in Chawton white with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a gutter-mounted roof rack in white, classic front bumper with daytime running lights, heritage grille, and 2 round LED spot lamps in the rear. Inside, Holly Farm features an Evander style wooden steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 2 inward facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett distressed sepia leather, stitched together in Garrett chestnut colour. This 110 is powered by our GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Holly Farm also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout. The colour palette on this vehicle is stunning and absolutely timeless. It can be found on classics from the early 90s all the way through to our finished vehicles today. The tan interior pairs superbly. It's a real classic looking vehicle with a superb modern twist of a 450 horsepower engine tucked away under the hood.